Hello, how are you? Okay, last day we talk about the one issue that is the when user submit this form for this form, then this user after submitted the form, the user will get a beautiful email, if beautiful email that you show me in your video, right? So it's not a big issue, but you also want dynamically add the price, but in this form we not add the any price in this form. It's basically add the different kind of data, and after submit the data you will get the email, and your client will get the email. But when we develop this form, you have on your mind have not have a plan to add the price section here. So now if we add the price section, then there are some issue, so I need to share you, so please check this out. That is, suppose this is the three there are uh, three types of section. I think each section have a different price, right? So if we add this one, then there have a lots of area are available here. So think about that. Each area cost will not same. Maybe each area price will not be same. Some areas will be costly, some are not will not be costly. So uh, when end user after submission full form, all the form all after fill up the all form and submit, and after submitted the full form, and your price will be calculated based on each every product, right? Suppose London, in the London, any service price may be costly, but here it's not as like the London. It may be here the less price your product, right? So so we need to add the price for total calculation. So we need to add every single drop down items at the price, right? So suppose if I add the London, then I add the date and duration. Based on duration, price will up and down. Suppose someone add the one night, then price will be one night base. If someone click 3 nights, then price will be increase. So suppose maybe if someone want stay one night, maybe it will be $5. Then if someone stay 2 night, then it will be $10, right? So after if someone stay the three night, then price maybe you give some discount, $15, three nights, but you give the $2 discount. So when we add the price for total, after fill up all things and get the total price, so we need to add every single item price, right? Based on your calculation. You understand what I'm trying to say? Suppose I click 3 nights, then based on the based on the size of people, price may be increased. Suppose if someone has, stay three night with 10 person, then price will be increased. If someone stay 6 people in one night, so that means I am trying to say that is, if when after fill up everything, after every single part, suppose one user click here, if when one user um, select this group size, then price after in price maybe $100. Suppose someone click here, fill up this form, then it will be increases. So for every item we need to add price, right? So it may be hidden, or it may be show up, right? If now here not show any price, so when you add the price, then it may be show here or maybe not, but it will be hidden for user, but after finally he will see the actual price. So that my main target, I want to show you that every for add the price, for total amount of price after fill up the form, we need to add every single drop down menu at the price, right? Suppose I add 6 people, then here the main problem is your price depend on every single item. So after we fill up those one, then based on the accommodation, your price may be increased, right? Suppose 5 star hotel, 3 star hotel, based on 5 star 3 star hotel, price will be increased. So here the main issue, the your price related every single item. So we need to calculate every single, or you need you if I do work on your project, then you need to so I need every single price list, right? So 3 star will be, 5 star will be more expensive, 3 star will less expensive, right? So if someone add this one, then it will be add on this price, then based on this, your price will be increased. Suppose here the increase the duration to 2 hour, maximum 10 person, right? If someone want 4 hour stay and duration maximum 20%, then price will be increased. You understand? So I want to try to say that your price, when you calculate after fill up the all things, when user came in your site and fill up all the section, then based on all the section added, all the section based on all the section, your price will be calculated. So we need to add this every single item the price. You understand? Then when you go to eat, in the eating part, here price will need to add. So my I want to say that where where and how much price you want to add on those section. After add those all section, then we need to calculate the price, total price. You understand my point? So here is the one other issue. You on your site have the query now, inquiry now. Here you add the other form, right? This is the other form. So if someone, suppose we work here for email template, for email template, when submission this form and end user show the details, show the details in your in the client email address, but this is the other form. Suppose someone fill up this form and send the message, then it will not work same as this, right? Then in the home page, suppose if we go the home page, and if we go to the home page, there have a query now and query now. There have a lots of button here. I think it the little confused when user come, because you use here form, then you also use the two button here. They are same purpose, but they are two look and feel. This look and feel is totally different from this, and this and this the same, they are working same, but you at the same section you add the two button, right? So I think you need to think about that. And other thing is, when I go the package, then you adding here, adding some, here have some package rate, right? If here some package rate, then it will, if you use here the price, then it will be little confusing for your client. So you need to go the one direction, not if you make the more complex for your user, then they will fear about your website, how they fill up your website, your from your website, right? For how they fill up for payment or fare for buy the package. So you need to go the one direction, not different direction. If you like this form, then go to the form. If you like this one, then go this one. You understand? So your there have already have a price list, right? And there have a, when they click this form, this inquiry now, then they going to the this form. So that means the most of the client are now targeting this form. So if we work this home page form, then if any user click here and fill up all things, uh, then it will be work differently, because we are not working here. It is a totally different form. You understand my point? So just see the video. I hope it my English pronunciation is not good, so I think you understand my what I am trying to say you. So please check the video and replay message in my Skype, in my LinkedIn. So thank you and bye bye.